Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today my topic is type of sentence structure. Types of sentence structure. There are four main types of sentence structure based on the number of clauses they contain and their grammatically composition. These types are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. Number 1. Simple sentence contains only one independent clause, a subject and a predicate. Example, she runs every morning. Number 2. Compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined by a conjunction like and, but, or, so, yet, or a semicolon. Example, she runs every morning and she eats a healthy breakfast. Number 3 पे है complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one dependent or subordinate clause. The dependent clause cannot stand alone and relies on the independent clause to make sense. Example, she runs every morning because she enjoys staying fit. Number 4. Compound complex sentence contain at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Example, she runs every morning because she enjoys staying fit and she also practices yoga in the evening. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.